Get 83% off right now. Link in this video. NAIERDI Magnet Cabinet Door Catch. Magnetic Furniture Door Stopper. Strong powerful Neodymium magnet latch cabinet catches. This product has been sold for over 5,000 times and it has more than 1,200 reviews on it. Buy right now to get 83% off. The NAIERDI Magnet Cabinet Door Catch is a must-have for anyone looking to secure their cabinet doors with a simple and effective solution. This magnetic catch is made of high-quality neodymium magnets that are strong and durable, ensuring a secure hold on your cabinet door. One of the standout features of this magnetic catch is its ease of installation. It comes with all the necessary hardware, including screws, making it easy to install on any cabinet door without the need for professional installation. The compact size of the catch also makes it suitable for use. The design of this magnetic catch is also noteworthy. The sleek and modern design is perfect for those who want a discreet and minimalist solution to their cabinet security needs. The catch is available in two finishes, silver and gold, allowing you to choose the one that best matches your cabinet. In addition to its ease of use and modern design, the NAIERDI Magnet Cabinet Door Catch is also very practical. It effectively holds cabinet doors closed, preventing them from spinning open and potentially causing noteworthy. It can also be used to keep doors closed, ensuring the contents. Another benefit of this magnetic catch is that it is adjustable. It features a screw that can be used to adjust the strength of the hold, allowing you to find the perfect level of resistance for your needs. This feature makes it versatile and suitable for use in a variety of settings, including home. The NAIERDI Magnet Cabinet Door Catch is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a simple, practical, and effective solution to secure their cabinet doors. Its ease of installation